Are you looking for a job? Do you live in Israel? Do you speak English? Then this is the perfect video for you. Just stay tuned and enjoy. Okay, so let's get into it. I want to go ahead and assume that you already have worked on your resume. You have already worked on your LinkedIn profile, and they're looking sexy and appealing for anybody who would take a look. So the first thing you want to do, if you're looking for a job in Israel, of course, then you want to go over to LinkedIn. And I recommend you choose a field that you're really in love with, something that you really enjoy to do in real life. And after that, choose what city you're in, of course. If you want, you can choose Tel Aviv, Ramat Gan, any part of Israel you live in. And once you do that, you're going to get the list here. Now, there's a bunch of features you guys can use. For example, the Easy Apply is a great feature where you'll upload your resume directly onto the platform and you can choose companies as well. And you can send them your resume. They can link to your LinkedIn profile. They can see exactly your work history. And this is actually one of my favorite places to start is on LinkedIn, because on LinkedIn, they're updating the content literally 10, 20 times a day. And there's a fantastic amount of Israeli companies, great startup companies that are posting here so you can find a great job that you're looking for. In this video, I'm not going to show you anything really, but the larger 4 different websites on Facebook that are going to show you and help you find a job. So start at this one. This one is actually the largest group. It's the high tech and sales jobs in Israel for English speakers website. I really like this one. The first thing you want to see is how dense the group is, how many people are actually participating in the group, how many posts are there on average per day. And this website, that first one I just showed you, is the most active really, followed by this second great website here. It is called Jobs for Multilinguals in Israel. It's a great website. All of these websites are going to be in English, so you will be able to check them out every day. It's not as awesome as the LinkedIn website. Here's another one. I want you to check out the Jobs in Israel for native speakers. This website is the third most popular website in Israel, and you're going to see a lot of the same posts there actually. The Premium Jobs is another great website. Actually, a friend of mine runs this website. This is really an awesome one here, the Premium Jobs one, and my friend Damien runs it, and he's doing a great job with it. So I would highly recommend to check out some Facebook pages. After that, you can check out Jangle O. Jangle O is another website that is designed for English speakers in Israel. Have a great news feed, have a great list of sources that you guys can access easily. And in addition to that, they've got the employment board here. And on the employment board, it's pretty active. You're going to find that there's going to be probably 5, 6 posts per day here on different topics in different industries. For example, high-tech industries, B2B sales industries, computer programming, translation jobs, and then you'll go over after Jangle O to access the big hitter, and that's going to be Nefesh, Bef, and Nefesh. That's always a fun one to say for me. And go over here, check out their list of websites as well. Man, I want to say there's probably 100, 200 different employment agencies in Israel, and here is a great list of them. Not all of them, but a lot of the larger ones here are actually on Nefesh Benefesh. One specifically that I like is Urban Recruiters. They don't update their list as often, but they're all over the place on Facebook. And I think it's super duper helpful to access as many sources as you can. And so I'd show you this website. Don't expect their service to be so great. They don't really get back in touch with you too often. Another one is the Israel Executive Recruiters Company. That's a classic one where you've got to fill out their form on their website in order to be able to see their job list, and they'll contact you and actually interview you. This is a great opportunity and a great way for you guys to
get started in your job search, and I'd like to wish you guys a lot of luck.
Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tips on how to get a job a little bit faster. Good luck on your job hunt.
Thank you so much for watching the video, everybody. I'm super excited. I want to share some great news with you. I just finished writing a book with a partner of mine, Laura, and it's called Sell, I Dare You. We want to give you a completely free copy of the book. It's about how to increase your sales, of course. All you have to do is go over to the website. You'll be able to also get over there your completely free access into the sales archives, where we have plenty of PDFs for everybody to increase their sales skills. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.